WhatsApp head Will Cathcart has announced that the messaging service's long-awaited multi-device feature has launched in limited beta. With this feature, WhatsApp sessions on desktop or web do not need to be connected to a smartphone but can work independently. The desktop session will work even if the smartphone is switched off or not connected to the internet. Some features like pinning chats, joining groups, or viewing live location don't work yet. The feature is launching in limited beta in a select few countries for now, but should roll out more broadly soon. Microsoft has announced Windows 365, a cloud platform that will allow users to access a fully fledged cloud Windows PC from any device, including Mac, Android, and iOS. Users can stream their Windows session with all of their same apps, tools, data, and settings across all their devices. Each session of Windows 365 can be configured up to an 8-core CPU, 32GB of RAM, and 512GB of storage. Windows 365 will launch on August 2nd, but is currently only available for businesses. Pricing details have not been announced yet.
You won't be able to use fleets on Twitter beyond August 3rd as the microblogging giant has said it will discontinue the feature. Twitter has said that people are either not properly using fleets or are unclear about the feature or just don't want to use fleets. Fleets was introduced by Twitter in direct competition to Instagram Stories, which has grown extremely popular with users. Twitter has admitted that fleets was a mistake, adding that new features are introduced to invite more users, but it failed in this endeavor with fleets. However, Twitter is set to incorporate features from fleets in regular tweets such as text formatting and GIF stickers. Last year, Twitter introduced Spaces, which enables users to have live audio conversations online, and the tech giants plan to develop that further. But many users are now comparing this to the app Clubhouse, which has now become wildly popular as well.
The Vivo Y72 5G smartphone has been launched in India. Powered by the Snapdragon 480 SoC, the Vivo Y72 5G features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate. For optics, there's a 48-megapixel dual camera setup at the back, along with an 8-megapixel selfie camera. Vivo has packed in a 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging. The Vivo Y72 5G is priced at Rs 20,990 for the single 8GB RAM and 128GB storage model and is available to purchase across all major online and offline retail channels. The Tecno Camon 17 Pro and the Tecno Camon 17 smartphones have been launched in India. Both phones feature a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate. While the Camon 17 Pro is powered by the Helio G95 SoC, the Camon 17 gets the Helio G85. Both phones feature a 64-megapixel quad rear camera setup, and the Camon 17 Pro gets a 48-megapixel selfie camera, while the Camon 17 sports a 16-megapixel front camera. Both phones also get a 5000 mAh battery, with the Camon 17 Pro supporting 33-watt fast charging support, while the Camon 17 supports 18-watt fast charging. The Tecno Camon 17 Pro is priced at Rs 16,999 for the sole 8GB RAM and 128GB storage model, while the Tecno Camon 17 costs Rs 12,999 for the sole 6GB RAM and 128GB storage model. The Nokia G20 smartphone has gone on sale in India and is available to purchase from Amazon and the Nokia website. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G35 SoC, the phone sports a 6.5-inch HD Plus LCD display. It comes with 4GB of RAM and up to 128GB of storage. In terms of optics, there's a 48-megapixel quad rear camera setup along with an 8-megapixel selfie camera. Nokia has packed in a 5030 mAh battery with support for 10-watt charging. Pricing for the Nokia G20 begins at Rs 12,999 for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. Amazfit has launched the GTR2 LTE smartwatch. Similar to the Amazfit GTR2 launched last year, it features a 1.39-inch AMOLED display, heart rate and SpO2 monitoring, and an array of sensors. It comes with over 90 sports modes and 3GB of onboard storage, along with a claimed battery life of around 2 weeks or up to 38 days in power-saving mode. Users in Germany and Spain will be able to make and receive calls using the watch's inbuilt eSIM without needing a smartphone. In Europe, the Amazfit GTR2 LTE costs around Rs 21,900. No plans for an India launch have been revealed yet. Samsung has announced its Big TV Days offer on its 55-inch and above premium range of televisions. Customers purchasing new QLED and QLED TVs from 55-inch to 75-inch sizes will receive A-series Samsung soundbars worth up to 23,900 rupees. While customers who purchase a model above 75 inches will get a Q-series soundbar worth up to Rs 1,04,900. The offer is valid from July 15 to August 20th and will be available at all leading consumer electronics retailers.